And we are back at it again, folks, with this amazing dry creek bed installation brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. And what we've been able to do is a marvel of engineering, and where we was able to take the water that was moving on this landscape, coming off of this concreted area, and take it into this dry creek bed installation that then takes the water through this controlled manner and then takes it off the backside of the landscape. And so these are just some of the ways in which we continue to solve customers' landscape problems, and it's the reason why we become so effective at doing so. And then also we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we did on this landscape. In addition, we tied in over 250 feet of gutter downspout piping. We also brought in over 15 tons of decorative gravel that allowed for us to be able to take this entire area, turn it into an area that now is able to be occupied by friends and family, never going to be muddy mess again, but most importantly is one that's going to last a lifetime with these beautiful installation of the decorative gravel. I also want to show you the way in which we were able to do that exact same thing on the other side of the property, just helping you understand why we become so effective at what we do. It's simply because we're focused on always giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And as you can see right here on this hillside, we did the exact same thing. We brought in that beautiful decorative gravel, came in with a retaining wall block, that retaining wall block matching the existing home, and it truly gave this customer an opportunity to take advantage of a hillside that was just seeing a tremendous amount of erosion. So that's exactly what we do each and every time. We always give our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. We tied in those gutter downspouts, but we had a tremendous amount of water that was moving onto this concreted area. So we came up with the design, and the reason I did so is so that I can get the water off the back of this landscape without deteriorating the existing grass as it had already done. Now, that's never gonna happen again. That water is gonna go off of this dry creek bed, and it's gonna go into this area of a natural ravine where it was already going, but it was taking a lot of dirt with it. We got the erosion control fabric up under it, we got the decorative river rock, and we even put in the decorative gravel, as you can see within this landscape design, that truly gave this its contour, and it gave it what was necessary in order to look like a dry creek bed. So these are just some of the ways in which we're coming up with landscape drainage solutions that truly last a lifetime, but most importantly, they give their customer back their landscape, and it allows for them to be able to take control over the landscape in a way that's never been done before. Only at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.